So what's the best time of the day to work? Well, I like to plan my gardening around the time of the year and also the weather. In May is probably the busiest time. I come home from work and I'll work on Saturdays and Sundays, work all day long, just because it's the most important time to get everything going for this year. I move some plants around, do the best weeds control I can, dig them up, and then in the summertime, they also need to be maintained. For your own, probably your own best time is avoid from 11 to 2 because it's the hottest part of the day. I don't like to come out in that time of the day. The plants probably look a little weepy at this time of the day. But if it's the only time you have, then just pace yourself. First thing in the morning, I like to come out and do my hoeing, hoe around everything, look for those weeds. And at the end of the day, if the mosquitoes aren't too bad, I'll come out then and do a little more hoeing and trim my borders and making sure that everything looks pretty good. In the fall, well, it's a matter of when you can get in there and do some of your moving and if you have the time to do it. So I guess you could say probably the hottest part of the day is just too much. Stay away from that.